An annual hands-on event at Florida Gulf Coast University is helping middle school girls maintain their interest in STEM and eventually take flight.
1, 2, 3.
The Whitaker Center at FGCU is buzzing with activity as middle school girls from all around the Lee County School District come together to take a fun, hands-on approach to science.
I've learned a bunch about oceans and sand dunes, and I'm excited to learn more.
Girls in Engineering, Math, and Science, or GEMS, is an all-day annual event. It's meant to help keep girls interested in STEM careers. Laura Frost is the director of the Whitaker Center and a key organizer of the event.
Yes, 2 are going to make the glider.
If girls are going to opt out of doing STEM studies in science, math, engineering, oftentimes they stop doing that in the middle school years.
Since 2013, FGCU has hosted 4 of these events, drawing in over 400 girls.
And when they get here and we see that they're helping each other with the activities, they've made a couple of new friends. I like that part.
FGCU students like Amy He are tasked with creating the activities, which range from designing paper airplanes to creating beaches.
It's just awesome because it's just like when their face light up, it's just, oh, you feel warm and fuzzy in the inside. So that's why I just love working with GEMS.
It's just learning on doing almost like more of a experiment and not as much writing things down, learning vocabulary.
Like the rack line is basically your high tide line.
GEMS does more than educate girls. It provides them with unforgettable role models.
We need women, we need minorities, we need anybody who has an interest to be able to pursue those interests.
With these positive ideas and role models behind them, these girls can build paper airplanes today and hopefully take flight with real ones tomorrow. This is Emery Cavan, Lee Schools TV.